I've been a Crypto.com and a Cronos holder since the bear market of 2020. I held CRO prior to obviously that virus that caused all the markets to crash. I've been holding CRO and the Crypto.com wallet for quite a while, and there's a reason being is because I see what they're doing, and I know I'm sounding like a broken record, but the Crypto.com, the Cronos ecosystem is getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and I want to be a part of that. And in this video, I'm just going to talk a little bit about what announcements has just been made, and also we've got the CEO of Crypto.com on live TV, which is all a big thing. You get like the haters, you get the people who will come out and say Crypto.com is trash, CRO is trash, they never talk about it, they just shrug it off like it's absolutely nothing. But in the meantime, Crypto.com keep on building, they're getting all those licenses in place, and they're sticking to the rules. And I know we've seen other exchanges who don't stick to the rules, and look what's happened to them. Crypto.com has made it totally clear, the CEO has made it totally clear, they do not want to go down that path. They will follow the law by the law and legislation by the legislation. And they will do well by doing that, because they're going to be attracting a lot more people to their platforms, not just retail, but institutional investors as well. And that is why I am really, really bullish on Crypto.com. And like I said, you can see the price action, the whole price action through all the altcoins have just absolutely plummeted. But it is what it is at the end of the day. Into my opinion, this is, for me, accumulation. And I've said in the previous video, I'm pretty out of money, and I am. But I keep accumulating because I keep spending on my Crypto.com card, and I keep on earning on the staking rewards as well. But obviously, we've got lots of things going on. We've got the Bitcoin halving coming soon. We've got the Hong Kongers for Bitcoin as well coming the end of this month. And also, South Korea, Crypto.com app goes live. But over the 7 days, we have seen Crypto.com move down around about 12.89% over the 7 days. And that's not, like I said, it's all the altcoins as well. We've got basically, we're still at the market cap of around about $3.374 billion. Volume is slightly down at the moment, but that's because a lot of the coins are going sideways as well as Bitcoin is just going sideways. You can see here on the daily, we're just in that wedge. We've fallen below that wedge. We're trying to now get up above that wedge. We've got the line there of resistance and the line of their support, which we broke down on, and we sort of came back down to around about that 11.5 pence, and we've made our way back up. We're trying to get up there above that area, which was support, is now resistance. So we're battling away on that one. Obviously, it all comes down to what Bitcoin does. We're sort of in the hands of Bitcoin, really, to be honest with you. And the dominance is sort of stabilizing a little bit. It has gone up, obviously. It's at 55.62, which we want the dominance to go down below 50. And it will happen at some point, because like I said, we're getting a lot of people are panicking and paper-handed and selling. You know, what tends to happen is, like I've been there before, you go on to sell, and then the price suddenly changes and starts making its way back up, and then you buy at a higher price. We've all done that. But we can see Crypto.com, what are they doing? Well, I've been waiting for this for quite a long time, and I hope it's coming to the UK. It says, this expands RR. So basically, these rewards, what we saw advertised a fair months and months ago, rewards the loyalty program, built for all, is now available worldwide. So I'm hoping it's coming to the UK, where you can get up to 10% PA and earn plus bonuses, up to 8% back on Crypto.com Visa card reward, and up to 4 times referral boosters as well, and trading rebates. And we can see here that Chris says this is expanded R plus to 70 plus more countries. So I'm hoping, for me, it's going to come to the UK, because I like these benefits. And also, we've got here, Chris, the CEO, was on for around about 9 minutes on their Bloomberg television, talking about the crypto industry and where we are at the moment. and where crypto.com is, and he's made it clear about where crypto.com are doing, what their strategic measures are. So, which is all really, really bullish. And, you know, like I said, with Crypto.com and the strong CEO we have, they just keep on building. They don't care about the FUD. And he's spoken a lot about what's happening with the Bitcoin halving and why we've sort of dipped down. And it's worth going to the video. I'm not going to play it because of copyright issues, but it's worth sitting there for that 9 minutes just to listen to the CEO. He's calm, methodical, and he's just laid back, basically, and just giving it how it is. He's not worried. He's seen what's going on behind closed doors about what institutions are getting involved and what retail are coming in. And he's made it clear as well, they're happy where they are with the crypto.com marketing. Will they go for some more sports venues? I don't know. I don't know what's going on behind closed doors, but at the moment, they seem to be happy with what they've got at the moment. They're happy with the crypto market. He's bullish on the crypto market. And like he says, short term, you're going to get these pullbacks. But on the long term view, you know, you're going to make some really nice gains. And like I said, he just does things like this. Just does not happen overnight. And, you know, it is what it is at the end of the day. And for me, it's time to accumulate because like I said, we've got that Bitcoin halving coming up in April the 19th of 2020. I don't know what time it's going to happen. It could be at any time, but we've got 2 days. We've only got 380 blocks remaining. So much, like I said earlier in the video, there's so much bullish in the crypto space. We've got the institutions now getting involved. We've also got the South Korea for crypto.com getting released at the end of the month. We've also got the licenses now for Dubai as well. And we've got all these new perks, but again, more released throughout the world. Crypto.com is so exposed to the arenas, to the F1 and the UFC and other sporting games as well. So lots of things going on, mega bullish, any kind of pullback. I'm not panic selling or anything like that. I have pretty much run out of money for buying, but it is what it is at the end of the day. We've got like Bitcoin at the moment. Okay, have a quick check actually. At the moment, we've sort of like said, we're in this wedge at the moment. We've sort of broken down on that wedge. But what we can also see is that Bitcoin on the 4-hourly is creating a bullish divergence. And also, we've got to see the funding rates sort of reset now. Which is, like I said, it's just absolutely mega bullish because obviously, you know, when we get these signals coming in place and we see what's happening in the future, I just can't get any more bullish than when we are. Yes, we've had pullbacks, but I said in previous videos that we're going to get these pullbacks, and it happens when you get these big impulsive waves to the upside. You're going to get pullbacks as well, 20%, 30% pullbacks. And obviously we see with the altcoins, we get more pullbacks, 40, 50, 60% on some occasions. But this is where I come back on CRO. Really, the pullback we have had, I don't really see it as a major pullback from where we were at 16, 17 pence down to around about where we are now at 13 pence. Yeah, it's been a bit of a pullback and you see your bags drop down, but we haven't dropped down to like what some altcoins have done. But when you come and get the CEO coming out talking like he is about all the earns and also being on TV and giving all the information out there, I can't get any more bullish. Well, I can get more bullish, should I say, than where we are now. And we've got a long way. Crypto is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere in the short term, and it's definitely not going anywhere on the long term. It's being adopted, and you're also going to get a lot of some countries who don't like it, or people, or general people don't like it. But what it is, what it is, and that's just the way it is. But obviously, looking at crypto.com, bullish. And that's all I can say, really. So I thought I'd do this very quick video because I'm away after today, just for a couple of days. I will try to do a video as I go on my travels. But like I said, smash a like, give it a subscribe. If you don't like what I'm doing, give us a thumbs down. It helps out that algorithm. But stay focused. Have a plan. That's all I say. Have a risk management plan. Look at where you want to buy, where you want to sell. That's all I can say. So take care, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Peace.